Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to download and install a new font on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Once you've installed a new font, it should appear within your apps such as Microsoft Word or Photoshop to use it on. If it doesn't appear after you've installed it, then I would recommend restarting your PC and it should work after that. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. We first need to get a font to install. If you already have yours, then feel free to skip ahead a little. There are plenty of places on the internet to download fonts from. I'll put a few sites in the description of the video. One important thing to mention though is that you need to check whether or not you are allowed to use the font. There should be some license information, and this might affect where and how you can use the font. For example, some might be free for personal use but not commercial use, and you may be required to give credit in some cases. If you find one to use for free, you might be able to donate to the author to support them. Download the font you want to install, and we can move on to the method to get it set up on your PC. Once you have the font downloaded, find where it is stored on your PC. This will most likely be in your downloads folder, but it will be wherever you saved the file if you got to choose the location. There's a chance that it will be in a zip file. If it is, it will have a zip on the folder icon. If this is the case, you first need to right-click on the folder and then select Extract All. You now need to choose a destination for the folder. The default should be the same location that the original file was in. Click on Extract and allow it to complete. It shouldn't take too long, and it should automatically open the folder. In here, find the font to install. There might be a few to do, so you can follow this for each one, but right-click on it and then select Install. Alternatively, you can choose to install the font for all users, but you do need admin privileges for this. After choosing Install, it should show the progress, and again this process won't take very long. It should now have installed, and you can check it is there by first going to the main settings page by clicking on the cog icon within the Start menu. In Settings, choose Personalization and then click on Fonts from the options on the left side. In here, it will display all of the fonts installed on your PC. Find the one you just installed to check it has installed correctly. If it isn't there, you can try installing it within here by dragging the font file into the box at the top. As I mentioned at the start, you may need to restart your PC for the fonts to appear within all apps. And so that is how to download and install a new font on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.